Hello and welcome back to Jess World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to review the multifunctional storage rack for the microwave. Let's open the box together. Remember, it is available on our online shop. Yes, so let's do this. As you can see, there are a few pieces. This is the metallic and the plastic one. So first we go through the items on the package. As always, go to the package for the guideline. You'll see the first component is the 12 millimeters, which is classified as number 9. This one. We have the second one. It's 19 mm, classified as number 8, as you can see. Yeah, we have two smaller ones. We have number 2 times 4, the cup, and this other one. Yeah. Then we have the 19 mm pipe, number 4. Yeah, as you can see, this is the number 4. Then we have number 6, which is the white one. So let's get to the steps of installation. You're supposed to link the number 9, you link it to the white. So you put the 3 of them, as you can see. So as you can see, this is done end to end. That's the first step. So we go to the next step. The next step, we have that one. Then you put in the smaller ones. You'll create a 3 rack. One is longer, the other 2 are slightly shorter. So let's do this. Yeah. So as you can see, the first rack is done. The longer pipes, are they pipes? Pipes goes to the first row. As you can see, also they have a stand so that they don't trip. Yes, you can see. Then there is the second row. Remember to order from Jess World. As you can see, the spoons here are part of our collection, as well as the kitchen tissue holder. Let's go to the next step. As you can see, the rack is complete, and it is for all sizes of microwaves. Yeah, see, all sizes. It's big enough for whichever size of microwave you have. And to the final process, you just cover with that. Close. Yeah, and then we have these 4 hooks that you can use to hook your plates. So you just hook them there. They just give you an up close. You hook them there. Yeah. So our rack looks like this, complete. Yeah. As you can see, this is our microwave. It's an LG, long lasting, very good service from LG. So we just put it through down there. Yeah, and that's it. So stop putting stuff on top of your microwave. As you can see, this is a very simple stand. but it saves you a lot. As you can see, we have put a few items on our stand and it serves us very well. You can see there's no need now of placing things on top of the microwave. You just put them on the rack. Please, this is available on our online store. Kindly place your order today. Comment down below and remember to visit our Instagram page on the highlights section where we have listed all our collections. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for more videos. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and join the family. And if you want to support the channel, kindly join the blue join button below to support the family. Thank you.